Hello, and welcome back to your Signpost Messaging Hub. Today, I'm going to highlight a new feature regarding our blocked and allowed numbers in the Messaging Hub and with our live receptionist team. So, let's go ahead and navigate to the Settings tab at the top of your page. Then on the left-hand side, scroll down to see Block/Allow List. These are where your always allowed and blocked contacts will live. If you are unfamiliar how blocked contacts work with the Signpost Live Receptionist team, let me give you a quick overview. So, if there is a blocked number on your Signpost account, for example on this test account, 555-555-4321, that number can no longer reach our Signpost Live Reception team. Usually, this would be for spam or solicitor callers that have called in and have been identified by our live receptionist team. It is important to remember, though, that block numbers do not have to be spam or solicitor numbers. They can be numbers for people that you do not want reaching our live receptionist team. Whether that be internal team members, family members, or friends, you can add them into the blocked contact list to make sure that they are not utilizing your minutes. To do so, go ahead and click on Add New, enter in their name, last name if applicable, email, and of course, most importantly, their phone number. Once this has been added, it will show up in your blocked contacts list and will no longer be able to reach our live receptionist team. You can always add these manually, so please feel free to utilize your messaging hub to add any numbers you do not want reaching our team. On the flip side, the always allowed contacts, this is something that is done strictly manually by the user. So if there are numbers that you always want to come through to our live receptionist team, you do not want it to encounter any sort of errors, you can go ahead and pre-add those by clicking on Add New under Always Allowed Contacts, fill out their name, last name, email, and phone number, and add a contact. Last thing, if there is a number that has been blocked on accident or does not apply and you want them to be allowed, all you have to do is click on Unblock and it will move it to the Always Allowed Contacts box. Vice versa, if there is a contact that has been allowed but you want it to move to block, you can go ahead and click Block to move them to blocked contacts. Last but not least, let's navigate back to the main Messaging Hub page. In the Messaging Hub page, under All Conversations, if you click on the drop-down and go to Spam, you may see a spam contact in this box. If this is an incorrect spam number, you can go ahead and click the three arrows and then click Mark Not as Spam. What this will do is bring this back to your Conversations page and allow you to communicate with that customer. It will also affect your blocked and allow list settings. Thanks so much for joining. Hope you have a great rest of your day.